Welcome to this video on AWS Redshift, your cloud data warehouse solution. If you are looking for a powerful, scalable, and cost effective data warehousing service, then Redshift might just be the perfect choice for you. In this video, we will explore its features, architecture, comparisons with competitors, and real world application. Let's dive in. AWS Redshift is a fully managed cloud based data warehouse service designed for large scale data analytics. It leverages massively parallel processing and columnar storage to optimize query execution, making it an efficient choice for handling complex queries across vast amounts of structured and semi structured data. Why use AWS Redshift? The first key benefit of AWS Redshift is high performance. It uses columnar storage and MPP architecture, enabling rapid query execution and efficient data retrieval, making it significantly faster than traditional databases. Another major feature is scalability. AWS Redshift allows you to scale storage and compute resources seamlessly based on demand, ensuring flexibility as your data grows. Next, we have cost effectiveness. AWS Redshift follows a pay as you go pricing model with options for reserved instances, allowing businesses to optimize costs based on usage. Moving on, AWS Redshift offers seamless integration with AWS services like Amazon S3, AWS Glue, and Amazon QuickSight, making data ingestion, transformation, and visualization effortless. Next, let's explore the architecture of AWS Redshift and how it manages large scale data processing efficiently. The architecture of AWS Redshift consists of several key components. First, we have data ingestion, where data is loaded from Amazon S3 IDS databases into Redshift. Next, the columnar storage format ensures data is stored efficiently, reducing I/O operations and improving query performance. For query processing, AWS Redshift utilizes SQL based queries optimized by MPP, ensuring fast and efficient parallel execution. The result output can be easily exported or visualized using BI tools like QuickSight, Tableau, or Power BI. Lastly, AWS Redshift provides monitoring and security through logging, encryption, and IAM based access control, keeping data operations secure. Now, let's take a look at the key features that make AWS Redshift a powerful cloud data warehouse. One standout feature is columnar data storage, which is optimized for analytical queries and eliminates the need for full table scans. Next, we have massively parallel processing (MPP). This feature distributes workloads across multiple nodes, drastically improving query speed and system performance. Another feature is data compression and encoding, which helps reduce storage costs and enhances read performance. AWS Redshift also includes automatic workload management, allowing critical queries to be prioritized for efficient resource allocation. Lastly, AWS Redshift enables data sharing, allowing secure sharing of data between Redshift clusters and other AWS services without duplication.
How AWS Redshift works. The process of working with AWS Redshift involves four main steps. First is data loading. Load data from Amazon S3 and other AWS services. Utilize AWS Glue, AWS data pipeline, or copy command from efficient data transfer. The second process is processing and storage. store data in a columnar format for optimized read performance, use distributed SQL execution to process queries efficiently. The third step is query and optimization, massively parallel processing MPP execute SQL queries in parallel to reduce execution time. The fourth is results and insight. Data is analyzed and visualized using BI analytics tools like QuickSight, Tableau, and Looker. AWS Redshift versus competitors. AWS Redshift is often compared with other cloud data warehouse solutions. Here is how it stands out against the competition. AWS Redshift versus Google BigQuery. Infrastructure wise, Redshift requires a cluster setup while BigQuery is serverless and auto scales. Pricing model. Redshift follow a pay-as-you-go model with reserved instance option, whereas BigQuery charges per query and storage separately. Performance-wise, Redshift provides better performance for frequent queries due to MPP, while BigQuery is optimized for ad hoc queries. Data storage wise, Redshift uses columnar storage and local disk while BigQuery stores data in Google Cloud Storage. Integration. Redshift works best within the AWS ecosystem, whereas BigQuery is tailored for Google Cloud. AWS Redshift versus Snowflake. Scalability. Snowflake provide automatic scaling, whereas Redshift required manual cluster resizing. Pricing. Snowflake follows a pay-per-use model for compute and storage, while Redshift follow on-demand and reserved pricing. Data sharing. Snowflake allow cross-cloud data sharing while Redshift support sharing within AWS account. Compute and storage separation. Snowflake fully separates storage and compute while Redshift partially does so with RA3 instance. Ease of use. Snowflake is fully managed with minimal setup while Redshift requires cluster management. AWS Redshift versus Databricks architecture. Redshift is a data warehouse while Databricks is a data lakehouse optimized for AIML. Performance. Redshift is ideal for SQL based analytics while Databricks is suited for Apache Spark workload. Use cases. Redshift is best for BI and traditional analytics, while Databricks is built for data engineering and machine learning. Integration. Redshift works within AWS, whereas Databricks supports multi-cloud environment. Use cases of AWS Redshift. AWS Redshift is used in various industries for different applications. Data warehousing. Centralized, structured, and semi structured data for analytics, business intelligence, enable real time reporting with BI tools like QuickSight and Looker. ETL pipeline integrates with AWS Glue, Apache Spark, or DBT for data transformation. Machine learning supports Redshift ML for running machine learning models directly on warehouse data. Log and event analytics analyze log and event from AWS services for monitoring and insights.
And that wraps up our discussion on AWS Redshift. Its speed, scalability, and seamless AWS integration make it a top choice for data warehousing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.